Welcome to another episode. Today wetin we wan teach you na how to repair Heelcap. So first off, wetin you go do be say you go use plier take comot the old Heelcap from the bottom of the shoe as they see us as we dey do am so like this. After you don comot the bottom, you go come put am on top cloth, come dey use this iron thing dey use hammer take dey press am make e take comot. The reason why we dey use cloth be say we no want make the wood take scratch the leather of the shoe, and so na so we dey do am like that. As they see am, we come dey use plier take dey comot that iron thing. We dey use am take dey comot the iron thing from the bottom of the shoe so that the new one go fit stay for inside. After you do that, you come put the new one wey you buy for the market, that means in size. You come put am for inside, come use super glue take gum am together. You go see how we go do am for this video so. You come put am inside. So if you follow this full step well, you don't know how to repair Heelcap be that. You go press am inside well. If you follow this full step, you don't know how to do Heelcap be that. Thank you for watching to this stage.